The McLaren Senna was a testament to the company's racing heritage. What set apart the Senna from the others was that it was a track car, setting uncompromisingly fast lap times, yet was still street legal. The main roots of the Senna was based off of the McLaren 720S. While the 720S was comfortable and significantly fast for a mid-engine supercar, the track-focused Senna had a firmer suspension and had all the unnecessary weight eliminated. So the truth about the Senna is that it's like an all-arounder, which no other car has ever done. Even like the Bugatti Chiron, Koenigsegg Agera, all those. And here are the facts about it. The Senna weighs 2,641 pounds, powered by a 789 horsepower, twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, capable of producing speeds as fast as 208 miles per hour. Acceleration was never compromised, doing 0 to 100 or 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds, 0 to 200 kilometers or 0 to 124 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds, and 0 to 300 kilometers or 0 to 186 miles per hour in 17.5 seconds. These speeds would be useless without the sufficient brakes, which is why McLaren engineered this car to make a full stop from 0 to 100 kilometers in less than 100 feet. Each carbon ceramic brake disc took 7 months to create. McLaren even claims that the Senna generates 1,763 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour. So now you know why that wing is there. That wing produces so much downforce so that it has really good turns, really accurate turns, precise movements. It's not meant to be fast, which is why it's also street legal. But it is a track car, having really good suspension and having tight turns. So the McLaren Senna, they produced 500 of this, starting at $1.2 million. However, all of the Sennas were sold out even before the 500 were created. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Here are the basic facts. If you want to hear more like this, tell me down in the comments below. And thank you for watching.